What's up, guys? Today we're out in Fellsmere again today. Going back to the same area where I did pretty good in my tournament and seeing if they're still there. But it looks like there might be some people around that spot. We'll kind of ease our way in there and see if we can get in. I'm only running one camera today. Another one just didn't want to charge last night for some reason. Let's see what we can get. A little bit different conditions today. We got a south wind. The tournament last weekend, we had a little bit of wind in the morning, but then it just stopped. Oh, yep. Oh, that's a good one. I'll try out my new net. That's a nice one for the first one. Okay, I can't get my net out fast enough. It's getting stuck on everything. There we go. Okay. Chill. A decent one to start the day. Probably like a 16. He is feisty today. Wow. Chill out. 16 and a quarter. Okay. Okay, I just took 2 pictures. There you go. In the hole. It's funny because the first initial attack that they do on the saltwater is like so aggressive that they miss it. I don't know if that's because they try to like knock the bait out, like just make it unconscious, and then they come back and have an easier meal after it's unconscious. Because they always come back the second time after you throw again, but it's not as aggressive as the first time that they hit. Oh, got him. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but he totally like knocked the bait out of the water. Little guy. I don't even think I'm gonna measure him. Trying to be careful with the hooks. All right. Got that one. Well, that's a decent one. This is probably why I never use a net. It's more of a pain to deal with than 17 and a quarter. Okay. 17 and a quarter. Little guy. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it came off. Oh. I didn't really put too much effort into that one because it seemed like it was small, but it was another 16 or so. I was reeling it in and came and grabbed it. Oh, a little smaller guy. I don't know if I'm going to measure him though. I don't think so. Nah, I ain't going to measure him. Goodbye. Oh, a bunch of these little guys. I ain't gonna measure them either. But something. Goodbye. Oh my God. That's a good one. If you don't come off in the grass. Oh! Woo. Nah, I ain't gonna measure him either. About the same as the other ones. Maybe even smaller. Bye. All right, I'm gonna end there. Not a whole lot of stuff happened today, just a bunch of little guys, but at least we did catch quite a few fish. I was gonna see if I could beat what I caught last weekend on my tournament, but that didn't happen at all. I think the 2 biggest fish were probably like 16, 17 inches, and then the rest were just about the same or even smaller. Still the top water, that Berkeley Chapo whopper plopper style bait. I tried a speed worm, nothing on a speed worm. I guess my speed worm run is done. I don't know, maybe it's just out here, maybe they just want top water. Kind of just a so-so day, but whatever, at least we got it out here, not stuck inside, not doing anything. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the bottom, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.